Welcome to today's class. Today I am going to start a new chapter of mathematics class 11th, a straight line. Today our first topic is distance formula. When to use distance formula, where to use, let's see. So for this I will consider two point A and another point B. Coordinate of A is x1, y1 and coordinate of B is x2, y2. So here I need to find the distance between A and B, right? Means length of AB. Okay, so for this we will need to find distance formula. Let's see what is distance formula. Distance between 2 points A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2 is given by we denote distance between A and B as AB equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula. This is known as distance formula. In this video we are not going to see the proof of this formula, just we will see how to use the formula. Okay, so I will use the one example to make you understand how to use it. Okay, so let us consider example. Find the distance between 2 points A having coordinate -6, 3 and B having coordinate 2, -3. So what we have to find distance between 2 points means AB. Okay, so let's see how to find. First of all I would like to write the coordinate of A and B, means x1, y1. So coordinate of A is 6, 3 and this is given, and coordinate of B is -2, 3. So here if I compare, right, so x1, y1, instead of x1, y1 this one is means x1 equals to -6 and x2 equals to x2 equal to 2, sorry, x2 equal to 2 and y1 equals to 3 and y2 equals to -3. Okay, so how will we use? So we have to put the value of x1 and y1 in place of x2 will put 2 and in place of x1 will put -6. So see how will you put the value of x2 and x1 in formula. So instead of x2 we'll write 2 minus in the formula, so we have to write the minus. Again the coordinate of x1 is -6, so put the another bracket and write 6 and whole square, right, plus similarly for this also y2 is given -3. Okay, so this is -3 of, in formula there is a minus and -3 whole square. Okay, so AB equals to 2 minus plus 2 plus 6 whole square plus -3 minus of 6 whole square. Okay, we'll see here AB 6 plus 2 8, AB equals to under root 8 square plus minus 6 square is 36, and 8 square is 64 plus 36. AB equals to under root 100. So as you know that a square root of 100 is 10. So we have to write 10 unit, not just 10. Why? Because length have some unit. That's why we write unit. Okay. Okay. So I hope you have understand what I have taught you. So we will see some notes here. If distance is asked from the origin, right? If distance is asked from the origin, what is the distance of a point, of a given point from the origin, then in that case we will get a different formula, right? So instead of x1 y1 will be 0 0, right? Means the coordinate of, means you can say the coordinate distance of B from A, right, is this. So distance of B from origin means 0 0, right? It will be 0 0. So coordinate of A is 0 0, and coordinate of B is something like x and y. I have taken x2, where x2 is equal to x and x1 equal to 0, and here y2 equals to y, and y1 equals to 0. So if we put the value of x2, x1, y2, y1 in this formula, then what will we get? AB equals to under root x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. So what we get? X square plus y square. So whenever asked distance from the origin, then directly will write x square plus y square. Instead of AB you can write OA also, OB, OP, whatever you can take, right? So no matter. So let's see one example how to apply in this formula. So okay, let me erase, then we'll see the example. So distance from the origin, note distance from the origin, you can write in your language distance of a point from the origin, distance of point, let me write distance of a point from origin, let OA equals to under root x square plus y square. So let's use this formula to solve this question. Find the distance of a point, from A from origin. So what will be the answer? So yeah, where A is what? A is 6 comma minus 6 comma 6. So distance of OA equals to under root, we don't need to write another coordinate. It is directly asked distance from the origin, so we will use this formula, minus 6 square plus of 6 square. So OA equals to 36 plus 36, that is OA equals to root 72, that is, if you make the pair of this, then it will be written as 6 and 2. So 1 6 is out from the root, and then it will be 6 root 2 unit. Unit may be meter, centimeter, feet, whatever. ठीक है, ओके, बाय बाय.